How to get rough country promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how or where you can get rough country discount promo codes that is working. So of course, the very first thing that you're going to have to do before you go straight into Rough Country's official website and choose the product that you would like to purchase is simply create a new tab on your browser. Next is to go into this website. That's going to be wheatthrift.com. Then once you're here, go into the search box and type in rough country, and it should be on the very first result. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here that you can choose. Now, once you've selected the one that you will be using, make sure that you fully understand the description of the code first before using it. And then click this option here that says copy code and then paste it into your payment tab onto rough country. And that's it. That's how you find or you get rough country promo codes.